How to share posts in all Facebook groups at once on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you on how to share posts in all Facebook groups at once on mobile. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, launch Facebook app and make sure that you log into your account. Suppose if this is the post that you want to share, you can even choose your post from your profile feed. Tap on the share button at bottom right corner of this particular post. Now tap on feed option at top of your screen. Select the destination, so here you need to choose share in a group. Search for the group or select a group. Then you can even type in anything about this post. Tap on share button at bottom right corner of your screen. And then finally, this post will be shared to the group all at once. You can even choose all your groups. In this way, you can easily post or share your post across your selected groups. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.